As of December 2025, the Coinbase mobile app for iOS and Android makes sending Bitcoin straightforward. You can send BTC by scanning a QR code or manually entering a Bitcoin address. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version for all features. This uses Coinbase's custodial wallet service. A Bitcoin address is a unique identifier consisting of 26 to 35 characters. It typically starts with 1, 3, or BC1 and is derived from a public key. This address is essential for receiving Bitcoin transactions and must be entered accurately to avoid sending funds to the wrong recipient. QR codes provide a visual way to encode Bitcoin transaction details, including the recipient's address, the amount to send, and an optional memo. Scanning a QR code with your device's camera automatically fills in the details, significantly reducing the risk of typing errors compared to manual address entry. Security is crucial when sending Bitcoin. Always double-check any pasted addresses for accuracy, as transactions are irreversible. Verify recipient details and be cautious of phishing attempts, such as fake emails claiming security alerts, to ensure your funds remain secure. Open the Coinbase app and tap Send. Scan the recipient's QR code using your phone's camera. The app will autofill the address and amount. Confirm the transaction with your PIN, biometric, or 2FA. Select a fee level, low, medium, or high. Begin by opening the Coinbase mobile app. From the home screen, tap the Send option to start a Bitcoin transaction. On the Send screen, locate the recipient address field. Manually paste the Bitcoin address provided by the recipient. Bitcoin addresses start with 1, 3, or BC1 and contain 26 to 35 characters. Carefully verify each character of the address. Bitcoin transactions are irreversible, so even a single typo can result in lost funds. Take your time to ensure accuracy. Before sending, Coinbase requires confirmation through your chosen security method. This could be your PIN code, biometric authentication like Face ID or fingerprint, or a two-factor authentication code sent via SMS. Select your preferred network fee level based on how quickly you want the transaction confirmed. Higher fees result in faster processing. Once ready, tap the Send button to broadcast the transaction to the Bitcoin network. Coinbase employs strong encryption and conducts regular fraud audits to protect your transactions. However, you are responsible for verifying recipient addresses. Always double-check details to protect against phishing scams. Bitcoin transactions cannot be reversed like bank transfers. Always ensure the address and amount are correct before confirming. Enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security on your account. For additional security, consider using Coinbase Vault, which offers multi-signature protection and cold storage for your Bitcoin. Common issues with Bitcoin transactions include delays and incorrect addresses. If a send is taking longer than expected, network congestion on the Bitcoin blockchain may be the cause. To check transaction status, use a blockchain explorer. These tools let you search for your transaction by ID and see its current state on the network. If you sent Bitcoin to the wrong address, recovery is not possible. Bitcoin transactions are irreversible once confirmed on the blockchain. For unresolved issues, contact Coinbase support through the app. While they can assist with technical problems, they cannot reverse or recover sent transactions. Mobile crypto adoption is rapidly growing, with more users conducting transactions through smartphone apps. QR code usage has increased significantly, making transactions faster and more secure by reducing manual entry errors. Expect integration with emerging technologies like NFC for contactless payments and AI-assisted address validation to prevent errors. Layer 2 solutions like the Lightning Network are being explored to enable faster, cheaper transactions outside the main blockchain. Stay updated with Coinbase's latest features and security updates to take advantage of these improvements.